Now we'll find out the total cost of transportation, because we have made that allocation, and based on that allocation we have to find the total cost of transportation, or we can call that as total transportation cost. And we find, based on the cost of each unit for transportation and number of units allocated, that is 40 into 5 plus 10 into 8 plus 25 into 6 plus 55 into 2 plus 30 into 8 plus 30 into 10. So the based on allocation we'll find 40 into 5 200 plus 10 into 8 80 plus 25 into 6 150 plus 55 into 2 110 plus 30 into 8 240 plus 30 into 10 300. So total cost of transportation we got 1080. This is using the northwest corner method.